Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, we'll be making ogbono soup, delicious ogbono soup. Okay, so in case if today is the first day you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Lucy Choma. Okay, a mom of two living in Nigeria. What is that? All right. So consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that I do not miss any of my video. And you can as well share my video, like this video, okay? And to my OGs, you guys are the best. Take it. So let's dive into the video. So guys, right in here we have meat, stockfish, and dry fish. Okay, so we're adding red oil into this. Okay, we're adding red oil, so I'm gonna cover together and come back. So guys, I'll be adding small oziza leaf into this. Okay, so I'll stir together. So I come in with crayfish and ogiri. I blended them together. I cover it. So guys, I come in with seasoning cube. Okay, then the next I come in with salt. Okay, then I come in with pepper. I'm using dry pepper. Okay, stir together and cover it. Okay, so guys, the next I'm coming in with is blended ogbono. Okay, so I'm gonna add and stir together. Yeah, add and stir together. So I'm gonna cover it and allow it to come to boil. So guys, cooking ogbono soup without Titus fish is no for me. So I come in with Titus fish. Okay, yeah, the ogbono soup is boiling pretty well. So let's add the Titus fish. Stir together. Stir and cover. Guys, the aroma is giving. This is just the simple way of making ogbono soup. Okay, so the Titus fish I fried it. Okay, so I'm gonna cover and come back in the next 5 minutes. So guys, let's check it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, the ogbono soup is ready. Okay, bring your semo, bring your eba, bring your fufu, bring your pounded yam and enjoy this delicious poto ogbono soup. Yeah.